gears down. Oh, heck.
Oh no! Oh!
Fuck! Oh, shit, wrong way.
There goes Dan. Alright, thank you. So our first display of the airshow evening.
4 hours later.
I think fuel's going to be the limiting factor of this display though, isn't it? More than my talent.
Right then. Display number 1 of the day. Dan McAuley in the Rafale. Ready? Oh yeah. Yes. That was a pretty mega start, mate, I won't lie. That sounds so good.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. What a save. It was unorthodox, Dan, but I tell you what, it was exciting.
We're slightly against the rules.
He was fine. He was within the minimum height.
It was within the rules in Russia, so that's fine.
Oh, that's a drift. Yes. Oh, I like that.
Been a nice tight performance this time.
Knife edge like that. I know exactly what he's gonna do.
Uh-huh.
No, I don't.
Nice. Big fan of that. I'm assuming, as any great display finishes with, we're about to see a very fast pass.
I was going to, but yeah, fuck it.
Here he is. Oh, that looks good.
Fucking hell, you better be worried he's gone down.
Oh yes, Dan.
That was nice.
That was fucking great.
That was 7 feet.
I don't really know how I'm supposed to like up that.
That's not what it's all about, Matt. It's just you know, make the most of it. Make it entertaining. Yeah, he's not got his wheels down yet. I know exactly what he's doing. You'll like this, Matt, if he does this. Listen to that. That sounds insane. Oh god, oh, I fucking hate that. Yes, lad.
Oh.
Oh no!
He's down. The eagle has landed.
Nice, Dan. Fair play, lad. Good display.
Yeah, fair play, Dan. That was good.
Just put my arm in the lid off of a Milky Bar moose, but I suppose it was worth it.
Milky Bar moose.
Oh god. What did you make of that, Jake?
Yeah, I thought it was good. Nothing really too special, but it was alright.
Oh
brilliant.
man. So next up we have Matthew in the pig. Fully bombed up as well.
Yeah, fully bombed up, fully fueled, fully bombed up, lad. Gotta be. That's how I can up his thing.
So from the left hand side, in the chonk, Matty D. Lights her up, lad.
Oh, she's lit up. Doesn't want to pull up, she's a heavy pig.
Oh, it's a heavy pig. Here he is.
Great manoeuvrable when they've got loads of shit on it. But you know, we move. We move.
We tried to move.
Yeah. Oh. I don't even, it just doesn't want to do anything.
Oh, that's a mint shot, that is. F-16 coming in from between the trees with two F-15 tails. Yes, look at that. Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna quit and reconnect on the screen.
Wheels down.
Sketch, but you know, it's what it is.
I just noticed on my right screen that Jake is half in his own wreckage from the other one that he blew up. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's going to drop. Drop big time. That looks fantastic.
Didn't want to stop doing that.
Oh, he's behind the tree. Whoa. From the right. Yes.
Doing all this in third person, by the way.
That thing is hauling.
You want to see hauling, lad?
Oh, that's moving.
It's kicking off. It's kicking off majorly. She doesn't like this. Bitchin' Betty's kicking off as well. Pull up! Pull up!
I'm not
No.
surprised. Oh, that's shifting. Yes? Yes. Oh, sick. Jake, do you want to go after Matt?
I'll try.
I like your spirit, lad.
I've only turned the engines on once in this.
The other time it blew up.
Yeah.
Oh, frame rate died as I zoomed in. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
I was
Matt,
smooth.
you're not very good at this landing business.
No,
I was smooth.
It always looks worse online.
Alright.
I mean, I've drifted a bit, but, you know, other than that, it's alright.
Nice, Matty lad.
Oh, it doesn't want to stop. Come on.
Should I turn my engines on?
Yeah.
Yes, please, Jake. Nice one, Matt. Good stuff.
But you need to taxi score in this because it will fall over.
This is probably the display I'm most excited for.
Display, yeah. It's not really much. It's not giving you much of a display.
Most inexperienced pilot out of the lot of us. in the shittest plane.
Oh no, no, no! Brake! I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Please, please. Alright, well, my front wheel is dead.
Right then. From the left. Jake Robertson in the SU-25 Frogfuck.
You're normally meant to move when he says that, Jake.
Just give it a
Look
minute.
at the smoke out the back of it. I'm intrigued.
Don't need to be. It's gonna be a normal
It's
flight.
such a mint little plane, that.
When should I take off?
Before the end of
Now.
the runway.
When's the end of the
No.
round?
No.
This is the noise it makes.
Flaps up. Gear up.
There it goes. Little beast.
While he does that, I'm going to change my roll.
Alright.
Now, it's not the most manoeuvrable thing, Jake, so be careful when you pull up.
Seems pretty maneuverable to me.
Oh my god!
What? Where's the runway? Oh, on the right.
Fucking hell, Jake!
This is why you buy a Cytec, everybody. Inverted flight in front. That'll stall, you know.
What are you talking about? I'm a pro pilot.
He's losing altitude, it's not gonna stall.
Oh my god. Well, that's one fly past in the books.
He's doing nearly 1,000 kilometers there. I can't wait to see the landing.
Oh, mate, there won't be one. I don't think it'll be a voluntary one. Jake,
Jake,
we're over here, Jake.
Oh, fucking hell.
Over here. Like,
Right. I've never seen anything. I've never seen anything struggle like that. It looks like, genuinely looks like that Freke Tricolore crazy flight.
Oh no, I've just gone down in the cockpit more. I didn't want to do that.
Press 5 on your number pad.
That's a good point.
Jake's been booked for a fucking
I didn't do anything.
a display at Ria, and he's ended up at Rossy now.
If the trees weren't there, it would have been fine.
Here we go, Mr. I love flankers and the flanker.
I love how he put himself between two of them as well.
I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna get off.
Bye, mate.
You are going to get off when you see this.
I hope this is like the last time you tried to do it. You done a Cobra and just plowed it.
You can tell Chaz has been a commentator for a while because he can't even follow the white lines. Bit of a fast taxi that, Chaz.
Whoa! Hang on, what's going on?
It's Diesel.
There's bits of wing on the runway. There's lots of bits on the right hand screen. There's just pieces of Jake's plane everywhere.
I suppose Jake was an SU-25 tree frog.
Oh my god, hang on, let me just... There's an entire wing and most of the fuselage to be right. Oh, right then. Let's crack on.
Okay, they've changed them. There it is, Traycott from the right.
We're going to continue this slow part with something that I dubbed earlier the thunderclap.
Get banned off Twitter for saying that. I mean, Twitch.
The speed of it. Float. Float.
What
Float.
speed?
Exactly, that's it, it's just floating. Alright, let's go. This is called the thunderclap. Ready?
Yeah.
That was good. It's easier if I just watch the next two on the screen and then jump in.
Like the new sounds are good, but I don't know.
That is quite good.
don't know how good a view you got of that, but
It's a little bit too high, but it was still quite good.
two more.
I need pet.
Are you in this thing then?
I am in the Lincoln 29.
Oh yeah, looking forward to seeing this.
That was literally directly above my camera.
And sound off. Beth just grabbed the back of my fucking head to scare the shit out of me.